Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real.
Linda, yes, you're feeling sick today.
No, am I wrong?
What? You're not feeling
Trying to
tired?
reach the things that I can't see.
Really? Yes?
33 chains, ocean now.
Something is missing. Whatever. You're just joking. Linda, what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm just having a bad day.
Have you tried this?
What is it?
It's a mascara. It's good for your eyelashes.
Okay, can you try it, please? Thank you so much, Grace. You're a lifesaver.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Ocean now, cruising big.
Oh, Linda, what did you do? You look good today.
Thank you. I just applied this. Have you tried it?
What's that?
It's mascara. You should try it. You're gonna look very
I
pretty.
be like, baby, why you so fine?